When first time you're logging into Miss, you would see this page. This is what we call service level expectation, where you can monitor all of the latency, time to connect, roaming, throughput, all the details inside of this. Okay, but right now I want to see what is the current high level view of my network. I click Insights, and then I saw that there is a lot of Marvis connectivity tests being failed. Okay, this is basically just Marvis Minis doing some tests. Click on Marvis Minis, click on my sites, and see if there is some failed clients. Yes, I saw there's a lot of failed clients during the test. Okay, this test happened on this AP, and it says that there is a DHCP fail. I click that to download the detail about the DHCP status, because I want to know what is the real packets there that being captured automatically by Miss. Okay, I'm going to filter DHCP. Sorry. Okay, it seems like there is a DHCP timeout, so it could be network problem or whatever that is. Okay, saw that there is a DHCP issue. I can download the packets, and then going back to service level insights, it seems like all of these tests failed because of DHCP. Let's skip it for now. Okay, and then there is a client event where we could see all of the events that's happening on the clients. And Miss will perform some packet capture for us. So let me see, because I don't want to look at the MC Zebra device. I want to find the real client there. Yes. Okay, click this guy. So when I click a download packet capture, I can view what's the reason why the authorization failed there, as you can see here. So I can do further analysis for that. Okay, there's also AP event. As you can see, there is a configured RRM. So there is two types of RRM in Miss. There is a global RRM and there is a local RRM. The global RRM is basically a scheduled RRM by that you configure that. For example, you want to make any RRM changes every 3 a.m. in the morning. Okay, and then the local RRM is the RRM that is being generated by the Miss based on the capacity SLE. So if there is a Wi-Fi interference, or if the channel is not distributed properly between the AP, that's when the local RRM kicks in. So if you want to have a look at the detail, we can click on this, and we click on site and radio management. So site live demo, we saw that the distribution of the channel is good. So as you can see here, 1 is good, 0 is bad, and we want to see if there is a changes here. So the triggered site RRM is the scheduled RRM that I have mentioned before. Sorry, but the radar detected is a event trigger RRM. That means it is a local RRM that when it detects there is a issue like radar being detected, or there is a interference between the AP. All of this is triggered automatically, and it is based on the reinforcement learning that happens over time by the maze. Okay, so it goes on and on and on and on. It checks if there is something AI can do to fix the network automatically. Yep. Okay, I'm going to the next. So next we can see that there is application here, the detail of application, the meeting insights. There is a Teams call going on, what is the call metrics, jitter, latency, packet loss, etc. And then I want to show you if some troubleshooting that I've done. So I don't want to type that. So okay, let's say one day this user with this MAC address having an issue. So I can just talk to Marvis, do some text to him, I don't know. I put this text, and then Marvis will reply. Okay, there is a Teams call going on today, and this Teams call is bad. Okay, it will give us the solution or the reason behind it, why this guy having a weak signal or poor roaming. So I can click that device, I can see, I can have a look, I can troubleshoot based on what Marvis suggests. Because as you can see, it has a low audio quality. It is because of weak signal. Either it is because of coverage issue, okay, either it is because of the NIC from the endpoint itself having a problem. That's when AI can help you narrow down to troubleshoot the issue. Okay, and then we have Marvis action. From Marvis action, it will proactively collect the telemetry from the device, and then it will see if there is a anomalies that's happening. For example, here we can see that there is a bad cable, even a bad cable we can detect. So the device, this AP is reporting that the port on this switch is having a bad cable, so we need to replace that. Of course, we need to replace that cable. Okay, and also, for example, the other thing that's really hard, it's like finding a needle in the haystack, is the port stuck. Okay, how you can find the port stuck, how you know if the CCTV or the camera is down, how you know that? So with Mees, you can know that when the device is not sending any traffic, if the device is idle, you can know that, because usually somehow, I don't know, the camera device is pretty tricky. Sometimes they are not sending some traffic, so that's why it can cause the MAC address to be deleted, the ARP entry to be deleted, and then the camera server detect that, okay, this camera is down, so that's the reason why. So it gives us the recommended action to, if to bounce or to shut the ports, and also you can detect if there is any loop. Okay, there is a loop between 3 devices, you can detect that, and all the things that you need to perform in order to solve all of this. This is what we call the proactive tools, because we don't want to be reactive. We don't want to react if there is a problem happen. We want to react before the problem happen. That's when AI can help you. Okay, thank you.